Hi, welcome to Amarok Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2018 Volkswagen Amarok. Now starting from the front, I am going to walk you through the full condition and some of the actual features that are on it. Now if you do want a full list of accessories, please check out the comments because it will be all in there. Comments on our website and on car sales. Now at the front of the vehicle, as you can see, you have got that massive ARB color-coded Summit Bullbar on the front, which is going to give you awesome protection on that front end. You have also got the STEDI spotlights just to light up everything around you when there are no other sources of light and your headlights don't quite do the job. I've also got the ultra high frequency radio fitted, so great for your long distance travels and when there is no one else around. You've also got the chrome front grille with beautiful condition on that bonnet, so there is actually not any kind of wear or tear on that bonnet that I can see. The ARB Bullbar does have your fog lights and little LEDs fitted there as well. There is a mounting point on the top of that Bullbar if you did want to maybe add a light bar or something. You've got large headlights in here which do give you plenty of visibility. Now coming along to the first wheel, you do get a set of black steel wheels which I think personally look incredible against the white paintwork. The wheel itself is in great condition. There's even blue and red stripe there to add a little bit of personality to the wheel, and those mud terrain tires also have great tread in them. You've got the V6 badging on the side here with the indicator just built into the side, color-coded side mirrors and door handles, and if I quickly unlock this, I'll show you inside the vehicle. Good to note, you have got 2 keys with this car as well. Now on the inside, as you can see, great condition on these bolsters, so seats present actually almost new. You've got the manual handle for your height adjuster and the seat adjuster next to it. Genuine set of Amarok rubber mats, and the door scuff guards and the door itself, where you tend to kick it open quite often, is in great condition. The button, which you may not be able to see on the outside for the LED spotlights, is just on the right hand side here. Closing that back up the top you have got your Rhino roof tray, so great for storing anything on there, and there is a set of Rhino racks under that as well. The back windows are privacy glass, however we would highly recommend you take advantage of the premium window tint we offer here and match the front ones up as well. That next wheel, once again great condition, and mud terrains also in great condition with plenty of tread. Along to the back of the vehicle now, as you can see, you've got the chrome sports bars on top of the tub there, and you have also got that 3-piece hard lid. So if we open that up, there's an interesting setup in here. I'm just going to drop this down and show you. You have got a set of Titan drawers in the back, so nice and easy to use and store anything in there. The tub itself is also in great condition. Close that back up and we'll have a look down here. You have also got your Towbar fitted with the flat plug. Now if we keep making our way along this side, the rear bar does also have your color-coded parking sensors, so make it very, very easy to actually park this car. Nice bold tail lights on the back there, and this side of the vehicle, once again, condition-wise, presents in incredible condition. Next wheel is in great condition as well, and as you can probably already tell, this car does sit a little bit higher than your typical Amarok, so has got a lift kit. It might be about 2 inches looking at the vehicle from here, so great for your 4x4 needs. And considering how great the condition of this car is, has obviously been looked after very, very well. Now guys, something I'd highly recommend, especially considering how great the paintwork is on this vehicle, ask us about the glass coat and how that's going to offer you a lifetime warranty on the paint. Now what we're going to do for now is actually have a look under the bonnet. Taking a look under the bonnet, what we have is a 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It is a V6 as well, which means it's got plenty of punch. The vehicle does also have an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Now the power output from the engine is actually 165 kilowatts with a torque rating of 550 Newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 80 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 9 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 889 kilometers from the full tank. Taking a look inside the Amarok now, on the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. Now, they are all automatic up and down. On the door itself, you've got your central locking buttons, and just above your window controls, you've actually got all your power mirror controls. And if you wind that all the way to the top, you actually get a heater for the mirrors. So on foggy mornings, you can actually defrost your mirrors. On the right hand side here, you've got your headlight and the fog light control, so if you leave it in auto, the car will just decide when it needs to use them. You've also got your headlight adjuster there to change the angle of your headlights, as well as the illumination control for your cluster. Next to that, as I showed you on the outside, is the on-off switch for your spotlights, which are tied into your high beams. So when you turn that on, you'll only be able to use them when you use your high beams. On the right-hand stalk here, you've got your washer and wiper controls, and on the left-hand stalk, you've got all your indicators, as well as your high beams and your cruise control. On the steering wheel itself, right-hand side here has got your menu functions for the display between the clusters. You've also got your answer and reject for your calls. On the left-hand side, you've got all your media controls as well. Now, having a look in the center display, just gonna pop it into reverse quickly and show you. You do get a nice reverse camera there where you can see the tow bar, but you've also got the radar for your parking sensors if that is easier for you to use. In terms of media, you have got AM and FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got a CD input and your app screen if you wanted to connect your phone with a USB cable. Down here you've got your parking sensors, your rear work light button, hazards, and you've also got the dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver both get the choice of their own individual temperatures. Pressing auto will just regulate that temperature you set in here. Down the bottom, some storage space if you wanted to keep your phone while it's plugged into the USB or AUX ports in there. Next to here, as you can see, you have got your UHF, just sticks onto here with a very strong magnet, which is pretty impressive setup. You've got a cigarette lighter here, 12-volt socket, plus your buttons. So you've got stability control, a rear diff lock, and your off-road functions for when you are going off-road. Now, you can drive this car as a standard auto or bump it down one into sports shift, and if you bump it to the right, you can switch through your gears manually. Back here, two cup holders, a hard handbrake, and that nice wide center console there with plenty of support. Handbrake takes up half of it, and you've got another half for your storage. Now, if we quickly have a look around the vehicle, you will see that it is in great condition, so very, very well looked after by the previous owners. Back here, you've got a 12-volt socket with a red ring around it. We've also got two cup holders down the bottom, which do fold up when you're not using them. Back seats as well are in great condition, so very well looked after by the previous owners. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Amarok. As you can see, it is in awesome condition, very well looked after by the previous owners, and it is also very well set up to take you pretty much anywhere you want to go on your adventures. Something I'd highly recommend before you do take this car out on your adventures, do ask us about the glass coat and how we can help you protect your paintwork with a lifetime warranty. The other thing I'd highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It will give you another 5 years on top of your new car warranty. It will protect you on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You get unlimited claims, $3,600 per claim, up to 200,000 kilometers of cover, and up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance. It is an awesome way to keep your car protected, especially if you are keeping it for a long time. The other thing I'd highly recommend is speak to us about our finance options, because our business managers would love to make a package that would work for you, make the payments work for you, and fit in all your protective options and get you into your new Amarok ASAP. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555, but before I go, you need to also check out our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It does show you that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people, and we are going to look after you from start to finish. Now guys, if you have any questions or you want to book a test drive, give us a call. But for now, my name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.